Good morning, Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar fans. This is Ron with Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar. We're located in Mableton, Georgia, and we're also located in Atlanta, Georgia, Greenbrier Mall. This morning, I'd like to talk to you about one of our wellness shots we call Vivdration. Now, our Vivdration shot has 9 different ingredients. The ingredient that we're going to talk about this morning is beets. Now, beets helps to cleanse your blood, and it also improves blood flow. It helps to lower blood pressure, and it increases exercise performance. This is one of our most popular wellness shots. So continue to tune in. I will be going over all the other ingredients that's in this Vivdration wellness shots. And so we'll be talking to you soon. Don't forget to come visit us in Mableton, Georgia and Greenbrier, Georgia Mall. Talk to you soon.